Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to use our new custom faceplate technology. At wirelessemporium.com, you can now upload your own images and design your hard protective case for your phone just the way you want it to look. So watch as I show you just how easy it is. The first step is to let wirelessemporium.com know what kind of phone you have, so we know that the case you design will fit your phone. I have an Apple iPhone 4S, so I'm going to click Apple and then Apple iPhone 4S. Once you see your phone appear on the right, you can move on to step 2 to choose which photos you want to add. You'll see at the top that you can either choose your own photos or choose from a variety of pictures we have in our gallery. I'm going to choose pictures from my computer, so I'm going to choose Upload. Then once I click Browse, I can choose the picture I want and then click Upload Image. Keep in mind that you want the best resolution possible so that your image comes out clear. It should have at least 300 dpi for it to not come out grainy or pixelated. It will upload the image and then the screen asks if you would like to crop the image or leave it how it is. If you want to leave it like it is, click the Use This Image button. But if you would like to crop the image, click and drag the arrows around the screen to frame the picture the way you want it. Once you are done, click Crop and Save, and it will return to the first page with your picture loaded on the left. But I'm going to go ahead and use this entire image, so I'm going to go ahead and just click Use This Image. So once it appears on the left-hand side, you can go ahead and drag it onto your template. A lot of people like to use one entire image that covers the entire back of the case, but I'm actually going to do something different, and I'm going to make it a little smaller, and I'm going to go ahead and actually add a few more pictures and kind of make a collage for the back of my case. Here you can edit your photo in two ways. You can edit the width and height and the rotation by the bars on the left, or by shortcuts on each corner of your picture. If you mess up, simply click the Undo button and it will go back one step. If you want to start over on your design, click the Rollback button to return to the beginning. You can always move the view of your design with the Pan tool or the Zoom in and out buttons. The best part about the Tools section is where you can choose the background color of your case. And now I can choose a color of the background. I'm going to go ahead and go to the pinks, because that's what her colors were. And then go in light pink, and then this is just asking you if you want to change the default background, and you just push yes. And then now my background is pink. So now I'm going to add another picture. So I'm going to click Browse, find my picture, and then upload this next image. Now this image I'm going to crop. I don't need the entire image, so I'm going to scale it down so it's just around the actual bouquet. Now what I'm doing is I am actually making a case for my sister who is getting married, and we just had a bridal shower for her. This is the bouquet that we made her with all the bows from her gifts. Now the new image has appeared on the left, and now you can just go ahead and drag it onto your template just like the first one. Now you can scale it down and place it where you want it, and then I'm going to rotate it a little bit and then put it up into the top right hand corner. And keep in mind that these areas that are white from the picture are not going to show up on your case. So because it's hanging over, it's not going to include that part of the picture. This is okay for my case because I don't need that part of the picture, including the camera hole. That part of the picture is not going to be visible on your faceplate. Now I'm going to go ahead and get another picture. Push Upload. And then I'm going to go ahead and crop this image as well, just get it a little bit smaller and around the faces of the bridesmaids. Drag this over. Scale it down. Rotate it just a little bit. Move it into position. There, I think that's good. Now the next step is optional. You can add text to your image if you want to. I'm going to add some text that says soon to be Mrs. Beglin, which is my sister's future last name. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in and then click create new text item, and it'll appear on the right. And then you can edit it just like a picture by moving it around and scaling it. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the font and the color. And then I'm going to add another one. I'm going to put Mrs. Beglin, create new text item, and I'm going to bring it underneath. And then I'm going to change it to the same font and color. Now I have a collage of pictures with some text. The next step is to preview your case. So you can go ahead and take a look at it and see if it's the way you like it. If you would like to make some more changes, you can go ahead and click go back and make the necessary changes. If everything looks good, go ahead and click add to cart, and then you can check out just how you normally would with any other product. So now go design your custom faceplate and get it shipped for free, only at wirelessemporium.com.